Hey, Jerry Motorman Palladino here for Born to Ride TV with my tip of the week. In order to make a U-turn, you have to use 3 techniques. Head and eyes, that means turn your head and look only where you want the bike to go. Should have a little bit of pressure on the rear brake and stay in the friction zone. Now, if you try this and you're still having problems, you should practice your U-turn from a dead stop. I've seen a lot of people where they use the techniques, and as soon as the bike starts to lean, they straighten out the handlebars. You can't do that. Got to keep the bars turned. So if you practice it from a dead stop, starting with your handlebars already turned, in a little while, you should be able to whip that bike around in 24 feet, no problem at all. Should look just like this. Turn my head and eyes, got my foot on the brake, handlebars are turned slightly. As soon as the bike starts to move, I turn them a little further. Easily turn within 24 feet, 6 feet to spare. Remember, all it takes to ride like a pro is a little practice.